Back over here at Warden's farm with Paul. We're about to move some of my hives back over to my yard. It's about 8:30 in the morning. We're trying to beat the heat and work in between the rain bands, so nothing too exciting, just moving some hives from one yard to another. It's a pretty good way to close up the front too. Just some of the smaller, mesh. All right, well, that was the easiest thing we'll do today. Just ratchet strapping the hives together. Paul had a good point. This last hive over here, number 3, if you don't know, whenever you close up an entrance, there is no guarantee that you'll get all the bees. And as you can see, there's a pretty good cluster on the top box here. Kind of suspect that they got trapped out with the rain or just after hours, so we're kicking around a few ideas as far as ensuring most of the bees make it on the move. Paul made himself a bee vac, or we're just gonna leave them in place and most likely they'll be okay. Well, that didn't take too long. We got the 4 hives loaded up into Paul's truck and about to go for a short ride. Cool. Looks good. Whew. Got an hour's worth of work and I'm drenched.
Yeah, no doubt.
All right, Paul and I just finished moving the hives back into my yard from his. Go check out his channel sometime. It's Warden's Farm NC. I'll link them down in the description or post a channel thing up top. But yeah, awesome guy, awesome friend, great beekeeper. Really helped me out in a time of need, taking care of some of my hives, and it's always nice to see the yard full. Paul and I just finished moving the hives that he looked after for the last year, give or take, back into my yard over here at Cole's Farm. I'm about to open up the entrances, just remove the wire mesh, and give the bees the majority of the day to get situated and orientated into this yard. So come join me as I open up the entrances. Probably gonna do number 2 here last because that one down there is the very strong hive that I posted into our stories on Instagram last night. So I'm gonna try and get past that one. Can't see the number from here, but yeah, anyway, let's do it. Number 1. Yeah, this wire mesh is extremely handy when it comes to closing up entrances. I'd say they're pretty happy to have some freedom. All right, here we go, hive number 3. Hey, I'd say they're eager to come out, huh? All right, we got number 6. If you can read upside down, that says really spicy. So a few more staples and let's get them opened up. I'm just gonna pull the mesh off first, give them a second, and then come back and pull the entrance reducer off. All right, last one, number 2. There we go. All the hive entrances are open. And now I'm just gonna give them a few minutes and pull the entrance reducers off. And there are a ton of bees flying, which is awesome to see back in the yard again.